8th class practical geometry, construction of quadrilaterals with special cases. Exercise 7.5. First construction. Draw the square READ with RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. We are all familiar with the properties of the square, in which all the sides of the square are equal and even all the angles of the square are equal to 90 degree. Now let us begin with the construction. So here RE is equal to EA is equal to all the four sides. If you want a rough diagram, let me draw it also. The rough diagram for a quadrilateral for a square is right. READ. All the sides are 5.1 centimeter, 5.1 centimeter, 5.1 centimeter, 5.1 centimeter. All are equal to 90 degree. We will mark here box. That means box type. That says that all the angles are 90 degree. Yes, right. So what we will be doing here is we will be drawing a line which measures 5.1 centimeter. Yes, RE which measures 5.1 centimeter, and then afterwards, as usual, with the compass I will be drawing an angle 90 degree. Yes, right. It's very easy for us as we are all familiar. Yes, we got 60 degree, and then I will draw a bigger one arc, and from this point of intersection of the first arc with the third arc I will be cutting another one. So I got a angle 90 degree. Is right. Yes, this is the line, first one, where it is equal to 90 degree. In the same, with the same measurement, I will be drawing another semicircle, and then afterwards I will be cutting an arc from this point, and then I got a 60 degree arc. With this I will be drawing another arc, bigger arc, and then from that point, the point, I will be cutting another one arc. Here too I will get 90 degree, angle 90 degree. Let this be X and let this be Y. So on the line EY there is a point called A which is at a distance of 5.1 centimeter. So what I have to do, I want to get that point, means I will be adjusting the compass to the 5.1 centimeter. Yes, it is ready here, 5.1 centimeter. I will be cutting an arc here. Yes, 5.1 centimeter, and this point is called as, the point is called as A. This point is A. Yes, right. And here too, at the point on the line RY there is a point called D. Yes, there is a point by name D. This point is also at a distance of 5.1 centimeter, here to 5.1 centimeter. Yes, right. And I will be naming this point as D, and the last step of this construction is simply joining D and A. I will be joining D and A. If you measure this length, definitely you will get 5.1 centimeter. Now let us move on to the second construction. Construct a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.4 centimeter long. Already we know that in rhombus, diagonals are perpendicular to each other and bisect each other. The rough sketch of the rhombus is now ready, and here let the length of this line be 5.2 centimeter, and let this be 6.4 centimeter. So let me name this as A, B, C, D. So AC is of the length 5.2 centimeter, and BD is of the length 6.4 centimeter. So first step is, let me construct a line of length 6.4 centimeter. Yes, it is ready. Now this is B and this point is D. Here the length is 6.4 centimeter. So what we want means, we want to construct a perpendicular bisector of this line BD. How to construct means, we have to take more than half of this line BD, and we should draw two arcs. We should draw an arc on either side of the line, and then afterwards from B2 we should draw a line arc. And now we got 2 points here. With the help of these 2 points we should draw a straight line. Is right. I have drawn a straight line. Here AC measures 5.2 centimeter. 5.2 centimeter. So let me divide it by 2. So what I will get is 2 2s are 4. So 1 is the remainder. So we should bring this one. So there is a point here. Let me put a point here, 2. So we will take here 2. So 2 6 12. So 2.6 is the answer. From this point to this side there will be 2.6. So I will be taking here, with the help of my compass, I will be taking 2.6 centimeter. Here you can see that I have taken 2.6 centimeter exactly, and then at the point of intersection of these two lines I will cut, with the help of that I will cut an arc here and here 2. Yes, right? Yes. So the construction is, somehow we have completed a large part of the construction. Now I will be joining this point. This point is A here and this point is C. I will be joining AB with this line segment. D to A. Yes. The construction is over. The rhombus is ready. And the length of this is, AC is 5.2 centimeter. 5.2 centimeter. From here to here means it will be 2.6. This part will be 2.6 centimeter. This completes the construction, second construction of this exercise. Draw a rectangle with adjacent sides of length 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. I have drawn here a rough sketch of the rectangle. Here we are very familiar that the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. That is, if this is 5 centimeter, this side which is opposite, that is also 5 centimeter. If this one side is 4 centimeter, is right, this side is also 4 centimeter. And then all the angles of the rectangle are equal to 90 degree. That one should not forget. Is right, all the angles of the rectangle are equal to the 90 degree. Let me take this as A, B, C and D. So to begin with the construction of this rectangle, let me begin with AB, which measures 5 centimeter. So here I will be taking 5 centimeter here and I will name it as A and this as B, which measures 5 centimeter. So, and then afterwards I will take, as per the textbook, it has been prescribed in the textbook, they have used the arcs and the compass and they have not used directly the protractor. That's why I am not using here. Very simple is that we used to use the protractor in our previous textbooks. So directly, but for 90 degree and 105 degree and 75 degree, they have used the compass for the construction of the angles. They have not used the protractor. Here I will be cutting here to construct a 90 degree. I will be cutting here a semicircle, and then afterwards first arc for 60 degree and the second arc for 120 degree. Yes, right? And then afterwards, with the help of this third arc, that is, I will be cutting here another one arc here that fetches me an angle 90 degree. And this is 90 degree. From the point A, there too I need the construction needs us to get a 90 degree. So for the first ray for 60 degree, second arc is for 120 degree. I will prolong it, and then afterwards what I will do means, from this point I will draw another arc which gets me 90 degree. Yes, right? By joining these 2 points, the point of intersection of these 2 arcs and the line point A, I will get 90 degree here. And it is clear that BC measures 4 centimeter. So what we can do means, we will simply measure here take 4 centimeter length using the compass. So I will be cutting here 4 centimeter line arc. From this point to I will cut a 4 centimeter arc. Yes, right? And then afterwards I will name this point as D and this point as C, and join these 2 points with a straight line segment. This completes the construction. So let me name this. This is 4 centimeter. This side is also 4 centimeter. These 2 are equal. In the same way, these 2 sides AB and DC, those 2 are also equal, and they will be equal to the 5 centimeter. You can measure and verify this one, and even you can measure all the angles. They will be equal to 90 degree. If not, we can say that our construction is not well done. A parallelogram OKAY, where OK is equal to 5.5 centimeter and KA is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Is it unique? Here I have drawn a rough sketch of the parallelogram OKAY, where OK measures 5.5 centimeter and KA measures 4.2 centimeter. From this I have found, as in the parallelogram we know the properties, opposite sides are equal and even opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. O angle will be equal to A angle and K angle will be equal to Y angle. And even here KA is equal to 4.2 centimeter. So YO will be equal to 4.2 centimeter, as the opposite sides are equal. But here we have learned to construct the quadrilaterals when we know 5 quantities. That is what we have learned in all the previous tests. Here we are familiar with the 4 sides, length of 4 sides, but at least one angle is very necessary to the construction. All the parallelograms with this type of measurement, you need not worry about the angle, will satisfy this parallelogram. One for one, the angle may be 20 degree, a K angle may be 20 degree, for another one 21, 23, whatever the angle, this will be satisfied. But for the actual construction, we need one angle which is not being provided here in the question. So it is not possible for me to construct this. But we can construct it by taking an angle, but which is not being provided here. So I will not be constructing this. You can construct taking any measurement, but any angle. You can take O or K or A, Y, whatever you want. You take any angle with some measurement, that is some degree. 40, 45, 50, 60, 90, even 90. Even rectangle is a parallelogram. Yes, right? So you can take anything like that. So if you take in that way means, if you don't take means all the parallelograms with adjacent sides 5.5 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter, 4.2 centimeter without considering the angle means all are this parallelogram OKAY. So it will be an unique parallelogram.